Imagine teaching a computer to see. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? Just like how we use our eyes to perceive the world around us, computers can be trained to interpret visual data. This process is at the heart of what we call artificial intelligence, or AI. That's what artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about. It's a field of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks include visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and even translation between languages. It's like giving computers a brain so they can understand, learn, and make decisions like we do. But how exactly do we teach a computer to see and understand the world? The answer lies in data and algorithms. Think of it like this. When you see a dog, you just know it's a dog, right? Your brain has learned to recognize the features of a dog through experience, but a computer doesn't have that innate ability. A computer needs to be taught what a dog looks like. This is done by feeding it thousands, sometimes millions of images of dogs. The computer analyzes these images to learn the common features that define a dog. AI helps computers learn by showing them lots of pictures of dogs, so they can start to recognize them on their own. This process is known as machine learning, a subset of AI where computers improve their performance on a task over time with more data. Just like you learn to ride a bike by practicing, AI systems get better at their tasks the more they do them. The more data they process, the more accurate they become. This is similar to how practice makes perfect for humans. They learn from experience and get smarter over time. This continuous learning process allows AI systems to adapt to new information and improve their performance without human intervention. AI is everywhere these days. It's not just a futuristic concept, it's a part of our daily lives. From the voice assistants in our smartphones to the smart features in our cars, AI is making technology more intuitive and responsive. It's in your smartphone, your car, and even your kitchen appliances. These AI-powered devices can learn your preferences and habits, making your life more convenient and efficient. It's helping us solve problems and make our lives easier in countless ways. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases and recommend treatments. In logistics, it's optimizing delivery routes and supply chains. In education, it's personalizing learning experiences for students. The possibilities are endless, and the impact of AI on our world is only just beginning. Now, let's talk about machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a fascinating field that has been transforming industries and our daily lives in ways we might not even realize. ML is a type of AI that's all about finding patterns in data. It involves using algorithms and statistical models to analyze and draw inferences from patterns in data. It's like having a special recipe book that helps computers learn without being explicitly programmed. Just as a chef experiments with different ingredients and techniques to perfect a dish, ML algorithms experiment with data to improve their predictions and decisions. Imagine you're trying to bake the perfect cupcake. You start with a basic recipe, but you tweak it over time, adding a bit more sugar here, reducing the baking time there, until you get it just right. You might try different combinations of ingredients and baking times until you find the perfect recipe. This trial and error process is similar to how ML algorithms work. They test different models and parameters to find the best fit for the data. ML works in a similar way. By continuously learning from data, these algorithms can improve their performance over time, just like you perfecting your cupcake recipe. By analyzing lots of data, ML algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions. They can sift through vast amounts of information much faster and more accurately than a human ever could. For example, an ML algorithm could analyze data about your past cupcake baking attempts and tell you the best recipe for your next batch. It could consider factors like ingredient quality, oven temperature, and even the weather on the day you baked. ML is used in all sorts of applications, from recommending products you might like to detecting fraud. It's behind the personalized recommendations you see on shopping websites and the security systems that protect your online transactions. It's a powerful tool that's changing the way we live and work. From healthcare to finance, entertainment to transportation, ML is making our world smarter and more efficient. The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface of what this technology can achieve. Deep learning, or DL, is a more advanced type of ML that's inspired by the human brain. It uses artificial neural networks, which are complex layers of interconnected nodes, to learn from data. Think of DL as a master baker who can not only follow a recipe, but also experiment with new ingredients and techniques to create the most amazing cupcakes you've ever tasted. DL algorithms can learn much more complex patterns than traditional ML algorithms. This allows them to perform tasks that were once considered too difficult for computers, such as recognizing faces in photos and translating languages in real time. Here's a table that summarizes the key differences between AI, ML, and DL. Feature AI, ML, DL. Definition: simulates human intelligence, learns from data without explicit programming, uses artificial neural networks to learn from data analogy. Teaching a computer to see finding the perfect cupcake recipe, a master baker experimenting with new ingredients and techniques. Data requirements can work with structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Typically requires large amounts of structured data, requires massive amounts of labeled data. Complexity: broad field encompassing various techniques. Subset of AI, less complex than DL. Most complex type of AI requires significant computing power applications. Expert systems, robotics, natural language processing recommendation systems, fraud detection, spam filtering, image recognition, speech recognition, natural language understanding. So how do AI, ML, and DL all work together? Let's go back to our cupcake example. Imagine a farmer uses AI-powered drones to monitor his crops. The drones collect data about the soil, weather, and plant health. This data is then fed into an ML algorithm that predicts the optimal time to harvest the wheat. Once the wheat is harvested, it's sent to a mill where another ML algorithm helps determine the best settings for grinding the wheat into flour. Finally, the flour is delivered to a bakery where a DL-powered system helps bakers create new and innovative cupcake recipes. As you can see, AI, ML, and DL can work together to optimize every step of the process, from farm to cupcake. AI, ML, and DL are already being used in a wide range of industries. Here are some examples. Healthcare. AI is being used to develop new drugs and treatments, diagnose diseases more accurately, and personalize patient care. The integration of AI in healthcare is revolutionizing the way we approach medical challenges. From predictive analytics to robotic surgeries, AI is making healthcare more efficient and effective. For example, ML algorithms can analyze medical images to detect cancer earlier and more reliably than human doctors. This early detection can significantly improve patient outcomes and save lives. Additionally, AI-powered tools are assisting doctors in making more informed decisions by providing insights that were previously unattainable. Finance, banks, and other financial institutions are using AI to prevent fraud, assess credit risk, and provide personalized financial advice. The financial sector is leveraging AI to enhance security and customer experience. AI systems can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect. For example, ML algorithms can analyze transaction data to identify suspicious activity and prevent fraud. This not only protects customers, but also helps financial institutions maintain their integrity and trustworthiness. AI is also being used to create more accurate credit scoring models, ensuring that loans are given to those who are most likely to repay them. Transportation, self-driving cars are a prime example of AI in action. These vehicles are equipped with advanced AI systems that allow them to navigate complex environments without human intervention. The potential benefits of self-driving cars include reduced traffic accidents, lower transportation costs, and increased mobility for those who are unable to drive. These cars use a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. By constantly analyzing their surroundings, self-driving cars can make real-time decisions to ensure safe and efficient travel. This technology is still evolving, but it holds great promise for the future of transportation. Entertainment streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use ML algorithms to recommend movies, TV shows, and music you might enjoy. These recommendations are based on your viewing and listening habits, making it easier for you to discover new content that aligns with your preferences. These algorithms analyze your viewing and listening history to suggest content that matches your tastes. By understanding your preferences, AI can create a more personalized and enjoyable entertainment experience. This not only keeps users engaged, but also helps streaming services retain their customer base by continually offering relevant and interesting content. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and the future holds exciting possibilities. As AI, ML, and DL continue to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will transform our world. Some experts believe that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence, leading to a future where machines can perform most, if not all, of the tasks that humans can. While this may sound like science fiction, it's a possibility that we need to start thinking about seriously. Whether or not AI ever surpasses human intelligence, there's no doubt that it will continue to have a profound impact on our lives in the years to come. So there you have it, a sweet and simple explanation of AI, ML, and DL. From teaching computers to see to baking the perfect cupcake, these technologies are already changing the world around us. Remember, AI is the broad field of making computers smart, ML is like finding the perfect recipe from data, and DL is the master baker using complex techniques. By understanding these technologies, we can better appreciate their potential to solve problems, create new possibilities, and shape the future.